Hello children of DAV Moil Public School Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrahari, your teacher. Welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 5th, Subject Science, and our topic is Properties of Water, Part 3. Dear children, before this session we have learnt about different properties of water. For example, insoluble substance in water, soluble substance in water, solution, floating and sinking activity. You have seen some things float on the water and something sink on water. It is depend on nature of material. Today we are going to observe many other properties of water. Now see this activity. Take 2 test tubes and fill them with half water. Mix mustard oil in 1 test tube and carbon tetrachloride in the other. Both mustard oil and carbon tetrachloride are insoluble in water and form separate layers. Mustard oil is seen to form a layer above water. We say that it floats on water. But carbon tetrachloride on other hand form a layer below water. So we say that it sinks in water. So you have seen not only solid float and sink in water, but also liquid has a property of floating and sinking, by example of mustard oil and carbon tetroxide. So we have seen given material may sink or float on it depending on its nature and type. You will learn more about this property in higher class. Now we will see physical state of water. Water mainly exists in the liquid form, but it can be changed into its vapor and solid form. This is done by changing its temperature. First, change of liquid water into water vapor. Let us perform the following activities to learn about the change of liquid into water vapor. What will you do, beta? Dip a handkerchief in water and then spread it on a wire in the open. It will dry out after some time. It happens because the water gets evaporated, that is changed into vapor. From this water vapors go into atmosphere. Next activity you can do at your home. Wash your hands with water but do not wet them. After some time the hand will get dry on their own. It is because the water changes into its vapor form to get evaporated. Change of liquid into the water form is called evaporation. Next activity, change of water vapor into liquid water. Let us perform the following activities to learn what happens to water vapor when it is cool. Take some hot tea in a cup and cover it with a saucer. Lift the saucer, you will see tiny droplet of water deposited on it. This vapors coming from the hot water from liquid water on cooling. बच्चों, आपको पसीना आता है ना? वैसे ही ग्लास को भी पसीना आता है. कैसे? Let's see. Take a glass tumbler and put some ice in it. Observe it for some time. Water droplet will happen on the outer surface of the tumbler. Water vapors present in the air get cooled on the surface of tumbler and change into liquid water. Change of water from a substance into liquid form on cooling is called condensation. Such a process of conversion of water vapor into liquid form occur in nature also a large scale. Can you guess when? We will discuss about this in next class. Dear children, here are some more properties of water. Read carefully and write on your notebook. Children, I hope you understood the physical properties of water. In next class, we will discuss about water cycle. Children, make notes on properties of water, physical property and chemical property, sink and float on water, etc. And show me. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.